What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage. Today we'll be checking out a product sent to me by a company called Unibuying, and what they are is a camera product selling company on Amazon. So the one that they sent me was this wireless camera by Conico. Okay, so it's just a wireless IP camera. This thing is basically plug it in and it can record. You could use it with Alexa. So yeah, it's a full 1080p camera that shoots, I believe, at 30 FPS. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. It's similar to the Blink camera, which I have. So this thing is 2 megapixels. This has a two-way radio. This has motion detection, face recognition, and audio detection. So put it up, keep an eye on your kids, keep an eye on your house, keep an eye on your pets. This thing will do it. First thing you got is your little pamphlet. A thank you card saying you could get $15 gift card. It gives you some information, a thing to scan. And here's our camera itself. So this camera right here features a 360-degree swivel. This thing also has a 150-degree viewing angle, so that's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and check out the little power adapter it comes with. And this comes with a 6-foot charging cable. So let's go ahead and move that out of the way. And this is just a regular micro USB. Plugs right in. And last but not least, you've got your mounting screws with a couple anchors. So first thing you got to do once getting this thing ready is you got to go ahead to the Play Store, the App Store, Windows, or whatever it is, and go ahead and get the app. And let me go ahead and do that. So you open the first, let's see, page 2. It's going to give you a barcode with the Note 10. Super easy to do, I believe. You just literally go to your camera. So this is how easy, this is why I go with the Galaxy. You literally have the camera, you show it, and there you have it. Look, I'm going to take you right to the website, which is mipcm.com. So we'll go ahead and go to Google Play. And there's your app. Go ahead and install that. And we will be right back. Let's get you over here so you can see. So on the side of your camera, you got a barcode. We're going to go ahead and scan that. Simple as that. It's ready to go. Add it. Sound connection, Wi-Fi. Okay. Hear a dripping sound? Yes. I don't know what's going on, but that's kind of freaky. So we're going to cut and we'll be right back. Okay, after all the we have connection. You can see me over here. Super easy to set up. Maybe not as easy as the Blink, but pretty easy. And just one note, with this one, you have to be on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal, not the 5 gigahertz, just so you know. So now we're gonna do our first time setup, and let's see where we go from there. So we enter a password for this device, and yeah. Let's see. Hello. Hey. So pretty loud. I don't know if you can hear it. It's up here on top of this refrigerator. I'm gonna say it. Hey, 5150. See, now you got it. Now it'll give you notifications right on here. You can turn those on or off. You got your cloud storage, and you got your, at the bottom, cloud storage and your micro SD. There it is. So there you have it. Quality to me looks just about like the Blink. So that's good. The Blink camera is a highly popular camera. Like I said, it's about $35 for the Blink. And this camera right now, let me show you the price just so you know I ain't fibbing you. Here's the link to the Amazon. $16.99. Not too shabby. So right now we're going to go ahead, turn off all the lights in the garage, shut the door, and we're going to check out how good the IR is. So right now you can see it is dark. And there's the IR. Hey. You got the two-way radio in there. Alright guys, so I was throwing that edit down and I seen under the garage door all the light coming from it because it was shot during the day, but now it is nighttime, so we're gonna have some pitch black, as dark as it gets in the garage, and I'm gonna show you how this IR works on this camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the light and I'm gonna show you. So there you have it. See, it is as dark as it gets. I got my phone out. Go ahead, we're gonna click on MIPC. And here it is, look. There it is. All right, let me show you the video playback here. This is exactly how it looks with the IR in the pitch black. All right, so go ahead and turn the light back on. So anyways, that's the pitch black test. And we're gonna show you how to hook it up to the Alexa, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. All right guys, so I got the Echo here. This is the Echo Show, the newest model. And what you gotta do to get your camera to show up on your Echo Show, if this is what you are gonna be doing, you need to go to the Alexa app, which is this one right here, Amazon Alexa. And then you need to go to More.
I didn't catch that.
Oh, hush.
Please.
So after you go to the Alexa app, right here on, I don't know if you can see it, Skills. Once you go to Skills, go ahead and search, and then type in MIPC. Just like that, MIPC. And it's gonna show up, and here you go. Download that sucker. Mine's already downloaded, and you can link your camera to the Alexa app from there. Super easy. So now I'll show you. Let's see if she'll show me.
Rewrite the Stars by Zac Efron
Alexa,
and Zendaya.
Be quiet. Alexa, show 5150 Gringo Garage camera.
Okay.
Waiting for MIPC. There it is. That's a live view of my garage. So yeah, super easy, super easy. That's how you do it. Remember, if you go in the Alexa app, MIPC, and you go in there and you could add your camera from there. You gotta have the MIPC app, which was this one, like I told you. Back in the day I showed you, there it is, MIPC, and Alexa will find that app, connect to that camera, and you're good to go. So anyways guys, that is the end of the video, and if you haven't, go ahead and go down there, turn on them notifications, hit that subscribe button, support your boy, and I will see you on the next video.